Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here, and another great video presentation for our price prediction on February for Polygon crypto right here. Pretty slow on the volume, but that's not the big deal out here. No issue considering that the markets have been retracing. Polygon is one of those cryptocurrencies which is part of the alts that have been suffering in the past week. It's that category, obviously, which is moving in a certain direction with the Cardano, Bitcoin Cash, Polkadot, not following BTC, not following the altcoins which are fresh and quite recent in the markets, not following basically the ones that are sort of away, have been launched in 2023 or 2024. It is a total different category that is considered the established ones, which are very, very matured in comparison with the other category of alts, such as, Celestia, say, cryptocurrency, SUI, Arbitrum. These guys are into a different space right now of altcoins, and they move a lot. The only one that has surprised us, and of course, at some point is no longer a surprise, is basically Chainlink. Chainlink from the backend is actually delivering big time, folks. So it's totally else. Speaking about Polygon today, and dealing with the price prediction. Before we get into the topic, like the video, subscribe if you enjoy, and make sure to check out my YouTube channel for many other inspirational videos and educational ones. We have live trades, we have trading presentations. By the way, you can join my trades without any upfront fees, just a commission from the pure profits made. Simple and straightforward, completely done for you with API trading permission. At the same time, we have the one-on-one coaching program where I am basically teaching you how to trade. For those of you that are serious about this space and would like to reach financial freedom through education and skills, which is probably the only way you can do it. I mean, speaking about being the jackpot guy or hitting the gambling side is something that I'm not really accepting it and not really promoting and participating with, which is why I'm on the other side with skills and education. I think that this is what is basically reducing the risks and increasing the probabilities of success. So that's where I'm suggesting you folks a one-on-one coaching directly with me. We're going to talk about that at the end. 4-hour candlesticks is what we're looking at, guys. Polygon is not in a bad situation, even though we are having a lot of liquidity above us. This liquidity cannot be left untaken, which is why we have so many inefficient candlesticks right there. And this is a nature where the markets must push higher before they can go lower. There's always situations like that which are appearing even when you're actually pumping. Markets need to decrease before they can continue increasing further. The same thing appears towards the downside. It's just that the structures might look different because we are dealing with a different cycle of an internal movement, which means that now we broke out of the downtrend. It was quite of a powerful downtrend, to be honest with you. If I measure this, we actually printed 37% in 27 days. So this is definitely something that takes out a lot of the leverage people, and it's great for the market to reorganize their liquidity. So now we are basically into the breakout, completed the breakout, and trading above the breakout level, but still with the support sitting below us. The only downside of this situation is you have a supply zone above you, and this supply zone between 82 and 83 is putting pressure. At the same time, you have a great demand zone below you, anywhere between 72 up to 74. So we're speaking about a level right here which can easily be considered a ranging of the market with capabilities of pushing towards the upper side of the structure, which will take us into the supply, reverse golden pocket, and fixed range volume profile line, the red one. The golden pocket is marked with 2 black lines, and the other one is with the red line over there. So unfortunately, anything between 82 up to 85, anything in this box, from that low of the box and high of the box, anything in between that is filled up with resistance pressure from a variety of indicators. And we're just looking at a couple of them, of course, in a beginner's way. Now, this is a problem until you get basically strong volume at a very, very good position of a breakout. Do you have that strong volume right now? No. Do you have that very good position of the breakout? No. You are right now in a specific process of building that up. So right now, if you're asking me, we are building basically that process. We want to see if we succeed constructing a such phase and then having the ability to complete a final movement. If we have constructed a platform to break out, we will be able to break out if the final movement appears. Usually it appears because this is why they create a platform to generate the final movement. Of course, there's exceptions towards that as well, but the idea is that Polygon is in a great shape. Now, this platform is between 72 and 85 cents, guys. So it is quite of a volatility space out there, and it's something we all got to consider accordingly with that. Nothing in terms of worrying if the market is decreasing another 3 to 4%, just like nothing to get hyped up if the market is going another 3 to 4% towards the upside. I'm still going to be calm. There is basically a liquidity room here of 18%. It's huge. But this is how these cryptocurrencies are needing because they are very, very volatile. That's it where we are, guys. I mean, in case of a breakout, in case of constructing the structure and the platform, which is something that I'm going to keep you updated with. Like, don't say and don't think about that after this video, you don't know where the price is going. Simply, we're also going to aim that the target as a major target will be on, anything around 92, 95 cents. Anything with these three tops that we have basically. Right? Those three tops which I've just encircled, they're the major targets for Polygon. We can break out of those as well, but the difficulty is going to be extreme, and the breakout can only appear once you have retraced, which should basically end very bullish and continue. So it's a total different story, and for the moment it's difficult to talk about that. Now, once again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and for those of you that would like to participate in my trades without any prior fee, just a commission from the profits made, feel free to check out my trading journal. Option number 1 is giving you that ability, a done-for-you way. Then, if you're serious about a crypto space, it's time basically to work for financial freedom. If you are looking forward to do that through education and skills, then you are in the perfect place because I'm taking you by hand and teach you how to trade between 4 to 6 weeks one-on-one live with me. You can watch this video and understand how does it work and register now for a free conversation with me in order to discover more. Check around the page and enjoy, guys. We'll talk to you soon.